First is go to YouTube and search the video you want to edit. If you have already the video, just skip this. All you need to do is to full screen the video, set it to the highest resolution, and screen record it. When you're done, go to Capcut. Add the video you will edit. Change the format into 16:9. Click the clip and change the speed into 0.4, or it depends on you. My technique is, I get the clip that I want first and adjust it to the duration limit, and then I will arrange it to this duration pattern. If you want to switch the placement of the clip, just hold it, move it to the left or right or whatever you want to place it. Copy it, then reverse. Just get this duration clip and delete the clips you don't need. Watch till the end. I will tell you what effect I use and where to put it. Add audio. Go to this clip. Go to Effect, Party, then find Colorful and Delay. Copy it, then put it at the last clip. Done, and export it. Here's the results.
Where I go, they all know my name. So can you hang? Baby, I'm for you.